Hello there, Internet. Today we are going to troubleshoot this Nintendo Switch. I think this one is V1, if I'm not mistaken. The problem with the Switch is I've already charged this and tried to turn it on, but yeah, without you're not getting anything on it. I tried to connect it to a charger without getting any charging sign here. So definitely there's no signal, and we're gonna try to fix this. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is that we're gonna check the power. I'm having my multimeter set to volt. I'm gonna check the voltage of this unit. I'm gonna remove the battery connection first. So since we're getting the two red wires here, we're gonna be checking the voltage on these two pins. So I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place my black probe, the black one that will be neutral, to ground, and then I'm gonna connect this to a power supply. Black on ground. I'm checking this one. Yep, we're getting 4. That's normal. We're getting 4 volts. So we're not having a problem from our charging port going into our USB-C connection. Next one, I think we don't have a problem on this one since we're getting charge on this. The next thing we're gonna check right here is this part right here. It's one of the charging IC. I think it's an MTIC if I'm not mistaken. Okay, let me just zoom that thing on. I'm just not sure about it. So first thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna switch into diode mode. Just go to diode mode first. Yep, I'm on diode mode. So this time I'm gonna put my red probe into ground, black, and I'm gonna test out the capacitors surrounding this chip. See if there's anything here. Point something. Okay. Probably it's 0.6. No, you have a ground here. Okay. Not getting a good read on it. Hold on. Let me just disconnect the charger. Side mode here. Yep, we got 0.3. That's good. This one should be grounded, 0. You have another one here. Oh, that's ground. That's 0.4. That's correct. I'm guessing maybe this is ground, I think. Yeah, that's ground. This one should have a value, correct. Value here. Yep, ground should be ground. 0, yep. 0.3. I got 0 here. Okay. This one here. This is a problem here. If you have a problem with this chip, this capacitor, I'm sorry, it actually connects directly into your GPU, and that will be a big problem, complex problem. Okay, 0 and good news, that's good. Okay, these two, let me just check it too. Let's see. 0.6 should be ground, yeah, 0. 0.5, yep, man, that should be 0 too. Yeah, all of them checks out. So I think this thing doesn't have a problem or something. Okay, maybe. Okay. I'm not seeing any problem with this because we're getting a voltage out of the battery, but let me just check it out. Got 0. Yeah, that's good. Good. 0.5. Okay, that's kind of weird. No problems. Oh, I forgot. Let me just plug in the power back in, and let me just check the voltage from the inductor. Yeah, just to make sure. Going back to voltage mode, and black on ground. Let me see that. Should be four or something. Yeah, it's four. Yeah, I got no problem with this one. Yeah, four, four. Gotta be. Oh, yep. This one should be somewhere 15 or something. Let me see. Yeah, it's 15. So everything checks out. You have no problem with all of the voltages. Capacitors are doing well. Probably the chips too. The next thing I'm gonna do right now is we're gonna check out using an RCM jig. Let me see if that will work. Well, since we checked basic stuff like the capacitors, voltages and stuff like seeing no problem, uh, I'm gonna make a guess that I don't know whether this unit is patched or not or unpatched, but you know, maybe it works. Okay, I got my jig right here. And then I'm gonna slide this thing down on the right hand side. Let me see if it works. And after that, we're gonna plug it into your computer. So RCM right here. I'm just gonna slide it on the right hand side. There you go. Let's see if that works.
All right, guys, I'm going to be running Tegra RCM on my PC, and we're going to check out whether this is only like a, safe mode problem. Well, as you can see, we're getting a red on the RCM. We haven't connected the device yet. We're seeing no RCM. For you to, if you don't know how to do this, I have a tutorial for you to jailbreak Nintendo Switches version 1 and version 2, both the patch and the unpatched version. You can just go ahead and look at the description part. There's a link there. Well, I already plugged in my Switch into my computer, and as you can see, RCM turned green. It means the console or the Switch is active, it's working. The only problem is it went into recovery mode and we're not getting any display on the screen. Now, via injecting a payload, we'll be able to see the Hikati screen. So why is this happening? Probably the client left the switch drain or the battery drained out and it just shut down. And I don't know why this is happening. It just went into recovery mode automatically and the payload is not injecting. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. So if you have any comments or suggestions, anything, just leave it and kindly subscribe to my videos. Thank you so much for your time and you have a good one.